Let's take a look at these three examples. Again, we have to divide binomial by monomial. In other words, I have to divide every single term from the numerator by the denominator. I have minus 36b, and I have to divide this by 6, minus 6 divided by 6. Remember, anytime there is no sign next to the number, there is always invisible positive sign. Negative divided by positive is always negative. 36 divided by 6 is 6 times b is 6b. I have to keep this negative sign. 6 divided by 6 gives me 1. This is the solution to my first problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, we are going to divide every single term from the numerator by the denominator. I have 18z squared divided by negative 9z. I have to keep this positive sign, plus 27yz divided by negative 9z equals positive, invisible positive divided by negative gives me negative. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Z to the second divided by z to the first. Remember, this is z to the first. Anytime we divide the variables which have the same base, we're supposed to keep the base and subtract the exponents. So in this case, I'm going to have z, and I have 2 minus 1 is 1. I don't write 1. Next, you're supposed to realize that we have positive divided by negative. Positive divided by negative gives me negative. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Copy y, and z divided by z is equal 1. That's why I'm going to cancel them out. And basically, this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the third one. Again, I have 6a cubed divided by 3a plus 12ab divided by 3a. Remember, anytime we do not have exponent, I'm supposed to don't see exponent, there is always invisible one, and I have also invisible one over here. 6 divided by 3 is 2. A to the third divided by a to the first. I have to keep the base and subtract the exponents. 3 minus 1 is 2, plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. A and a will cancel out because both of them have the same exponents, and I have b. I have to copy down b. This is the solution to my problem.